microbial biosensors. Now, moving toward the microbial biosensors, it is based on the biocomponent, first component, that is the biocomponent. The microbial biosensors will be the microorganisms. Thus, it is also called as microorganism biosensor or microbial biosensor. Now, we have already discussed about the structure of biosensors having three components: bioreceptor, transducer and signal processing. Here the bioreceptor will be a whole microorganism which comes under the category of cell-based biosensor. The cell-based biosensor, the bioreceptor or the biological recognition elements belongs to a microorganism or a whole cell. It may be a tissues, organelles, cell receptors, enzymes or specific proteins, nucleic acid or antibodies, antigen, membrane and oligonucleotide. And microorganism, the whole microorganism comes under cell-based biosensor called as microbial biosensors. Now, this is a true structure of microbial biosensor in which the biological signals is achieved by the microorganisms from its analytes and it is converted into electrical signals. Now, moving toward the definition of microbial biosensor. A microbial biosensor is an analytical device that couples microorganisms with a transducer to enable rapid, accurate and sensitive detection of target analytes in field as diverse as medicine, environmental monitoring, defense, food processing and safety. Next, if we further describe this microbial biosensor, we can see the earlier microbial biosensors used their respiratory and metabolic functions of the microorganism to detect a substance that is used as a substrate or inhibitor of these two processes, that is a respiratory and metabolic function. Recently, what recently it is doing, they are genetically engineered microorganisms are used which are based on fusing of LUX, GFP or laxate gene reporters to an inducible gene promoter have been widely applied to assay toxicity and bioavailability of the substrate and toxicity of the inhibitor. Next, the advantages of using microorganism as a biosensing element. The microorganisms are the alternate of enzyme, though enzymes are highly specific but their tedious purification result its limitation. Also, with advancement in recombinant DNA technology, microorganisms are manipulated to work as a best biosensing agent. Next, we will see the immobilization method in which the microorganisms are immobilized on the transducer. There are two methods which is taken under consideration. Those are chemical methods and physical method. Chemical method includes two different methods: covalent bonding method and cross-linking method. In covalent binding, in which the stable covalent bond developed between the cell walls of microbes with that of the transducer. Whereas in cross-linking, it involves bridging between the functional group of outer membrane with the transducer. In physical method, it includes the adsorption, in which the microorganisms are adsorbed at the surface of the transducer or it is interrupted within the surface of the transducer. Now, based on transducer, the microbial biosensors are classified into electrochemical biosensors, optical biosensors and other biosensors. Electrochemical biosensors are further classified into amperometric, potentiometric, conductometric and microbial fuel cell type. Optical biosensors are classified into three types. Those are bioluminescence, fluorescence and colorimetric. Whereas the other type of biosensors, that is the microbial biosensors, first it is based on calculating or measuring the level of pressure, and second it is used for analyzing the infrared light. Next, further moving toward the application, this slide shows some of the application of different microorganisms. There are several microorganisms used as a bioreceptor for detecting the environmental parameters. We can see the environmental parameters such as BOD, phenols, heavy metals, organophosphate, water pollutant. These are the environmental parameters which says about the environmental quality, and Apart from this, in medical field, it is used to calculate the sugar level, which has been done by the Cerevisiae. This is all about the microbial parameter. Thank you.